Well, hi there, this is Wesley. So I hope your night and your day is being falling down like the waterfall that's rushing down the mountains. The sound like the waterfall down the mountains. That's how beauty and wonderful that I hope that your day is being so soundable like the waterfall rushing down the mountains, or even like the sound of the cold water just rushing down through the mountains, through your heart and through my heart, and around you and around me. And God bless. Bye bye. Love you. Love you. Bye bye.